I'm very happy to be here in Bangkok to attend this first Asian conference for science and technology. And I personally feel that we need to incorporate science and technology into the whole efforts to deal with the disaster management. And we really have to understand that unless we consider the risk factor into our developmental process, we cannot really achieve the goal. To make this world more safer, more secured, then we need to factor risk as one of the integral part of our developmental process. As the world is facing more acute disaster with the climate change and many other factors, the whole global community has to come together. And for Asia, we are having very good programs at different level, at the international level, the national and the local level. And ultimately, we have to strengthen the local community and to make local community very resilient to the disasters. And now, with the India hosting the Asian Ministerial Conference for Disaster Risk Reduction, India is taking a big lead role. And I feel India must take a lead role as a large nation, as a disaster-prone country. And we do have certain expertise and experiences which we need to share with the rest of the Asian countries as well as with the global community. And our Prime Minister Narendra Modi has given a clear call that disaster management must be one of the important key in governance. And when we are shifting from mere disaster management to risk management, we are taking into account the future risks which poses to our world. And that is why this conference of science and technology to be very integral part of the whole approach to mitigate the disaster and to understand the risk factor. I feel that Asian countries are gearing up, and from my side and from my own behalf as well as on behalf of the Government of India, we are fully committed to the Sendai Declaration. The Sendai framework has been identified closely and been integrated in our developmental approach. And I feel that the days to come, we will see more integration between the communities, between the countries at different level, and I give my full commitment to that.